Hi friends, here we have a nice problem. We have to find what is the sum of 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 square plus 5 by 2 cube plus 7 by 2 power 4 etc. up to 2n minus 1 by 2 power n. Right. This is not exactly geometric series also. It's not exactly arithmetic series also. But how do we do this? See, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. These are in arithmetic progression. But 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube, etc. are in geometric progression. How do we do this? So to do this, let's try to split this. Once we split this, then probably we'll be able to get different geometric progressions. Let's see how. Okay, let's take this whatever this term as the sum of all of this term as Sn. Okay, Sn equals 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 square plus 5 by 2 cube plus up to 2n minus 1 by 2 power n. Right. We know sum of n terms is a times 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r in a geometric progression. Now let's do 2 times Sn. 2 times Sn, what does it give? It gives 2 times half, which is 1, plus 3 by 2 square will become 3 by 2, 5 by 2 cube will become 5 by 2 square, 7 by 2 power 4 will become 7 by 2 power 3, etc. 2n minus 1 by 2 power n becomes 2n minus 1 by 2 power n minus 1. Just that everywhere 1, 2 will get reduced. Right, that is 2Sn. Right. Now all these terms, let's try to write in slightly different way. This 3 by 2, we can write it as 2 plus 1 by 2. 5 by 2 square, we can write it as 2 plus 3 by 2 square, like this. 2 plus 3 by 2 square. 7 by 2 cube, we can write it as 2 plus 5 by 2 cube. Right. Everywhere, we want to remove 1, 2 and keep the remaining. 2n minus 1, we want to remove 1, 2. Right, and keep the remaining. That is 2 plus 2n minus 3 by 2 power n minus 1. Right. We can write all of this like this, right? Now let's try to split this. Split both these terms. Right. 2 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 1 plus 1 by 2. So first one will come here. Plus 2 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 plus 1 by 2. Similarly, 2 by 2 square plus 3 by 2 square. 2 by 2 square is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 square. Similarly, 1 by 2 square, 2 by 2 cube. That is 1 by 2 square plus 5 by 2 cube. 1 by 2 square 5 like for plus 5 by 2 cube. 1 by 2 cube plus 7 by 2 power 4. Likewise. And in the final term also, 1, 2 will get reduced. Right. 2 by 2 power n minus 1 is 2 by 2 power 1 by 2 power n minus 2 plus 2n minus 3 by 2 power n minus 1. Right. Now let's take all of the first terms together and all of the second terms together. What are the first terms? 1 plus half plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 2 power n minus 2. That is the first terms. What are the second terms? Half 3 by 2 square, 5 by 2 cube, 7 by 2 power 4 plus 2 n minus 3 by 2 power n minus 1. Okay. So first terms and second terms separately and one is already there. Now this is a familiar geometric progression. 1 plus half square plus 1 by 2 power n minus 2. How many terms are there? There are from 1 to n minus 2 plus 1 more term. So total n minus 1 terms. Please don't get confused. It is not n minus 2 doesn't mean n minus 2 terms. Here 1, 2 up to n minus 2 plus 1 more term. Total n minus 1 terms. Right. What is the sum? 1a times 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. What is a? A is first term, which is 1 only. 1 times 1 into 1 minus r power n. What is r? R is half, right? And what is n? N means number of terms. How many terms? N minus 1 terms. 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. 1 power n minus 1 doesn't matter. So 1 by 2 power n minus 1 by 1 minus r, which is 1 minus half, which is again half. Right, this is the sum of this one. Now, if you see this one closely observe, this is nothing but this minus this. Right, this has got everything like this except this. Right, one final term we have is not there. 2n minus 3 by 2 power n minus 1. The next term is 2n minus 1 by 2 power n. Right, we can write this one as Sn minus this term. Right, which is nothing but, so we are writing the same thing, Sn minus 2n minus 1 by 2 power n. We are writing this. So first this sum is this, and this we can replace it like this. Right. What is all of this? All of this is actually equal to 2 times Sn. Right. 2 times Sn. We have multiplied with 2 to get this one, to get this one also in terms of Sn. Right. So 2 Sn minus this Sn become Sn will become the remaining 1 plus 1 minus 2 power n minus 1 into 2. Right. This 2 will go into denominator. 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 power n minus 1 minus 2n minus 1 by 2 power n. Right. If you open this bracket, 1 plus 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 2 times 1 by 2 power n minus 1. So 2 times 1 by 2 power n minus 1 is 1 by 2 power n, minus 1 by 2 power n, minus 2n minus 1 by 2 power n. Right. Let's take this minus comma. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus this minus comma. 1 plus 2n plus 1 by 2 power n. 2n plus 1 plus 1. Not this 1 minus 1 by 2 power n minus 1 by half will become 2 times 1 minus 1 by 2 power n minus 1. Right. This term, this one will become 2 times 1 minus 1 by 2 power n minus 1. Right, which becomes 2 minus 2 by n 2 power n minus 1. If you multiply by 2 on both sides, this becomes 4 and this becomes 2 power n. Right. So 1 plus 2 minus 4 by 2 power n minus 2n minus 1 by 2 power n. This minus 4 plus 2n. This becomes 2n plus 1, 3. If you take minus common 4 plus 2n minus 1, which is equals 2n plus 3. Right, guys? So here we did the crux of this thing is we did two SN to split this and get one more SN. Right. After that, it's about algebraic simplification only. Thank you, guys.